Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a phones and display size in OPPO phone, the Android a brand of a mobile phone or smartphone. So if you have OPPO phone, all type in here, you can try to change the size of your text or display. And let's start by tap on settings and try to search or scroll down, try to search personalizations option here. So here we go, you can change themes here, wallpaper, the icon style, app layout, colors, and then font and display size here. You can tap it. So this one, for example, you can try to change the fonts here. You can download fonts from the store, OPPO store. OPPO Sans Adaptive or Roboto, and then this font size you can try to upsize here, and then display size you can, there is only three option: large, by default, or the small one here. So if you're done, you can apply. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.